So this is kind of cool. Last week I got an email from Tru-Tone that said they were sending out some signs to some loyal customers, and I clicked on the email, wasn't even sure if it was real, and then I went on their website and I had a sign that said, because I have been a loyal customer, and if you know my channel, I have purchased a lot, that they would send a sign, which is really cool because I don't actually have the little sign, and I probably wasn't going to buy it because I already have the big sign. And I looked at it a little bit online. I know it said it does not have a dimmer, so I just thought, make sure it's obvious that this was sent to me, but it is not sent to me at all because of like making a video. It's just because they were happy that people were supporting their small business, and so that's what I was like to do anyways. So yeah, so here's the sign. It is actually a small replica of the big sign. I have the big sign, and so I wasn't really sure what the difference would be. So there's no, well, there's a little light thing over here. Here's a little light bulb. Let's see if we can get this off. There's somebody driving a truck behind me. So we have one classic socket that comes with this. The big sign has it built in, and it says no dimmer. But here, even in normal Tru-Tone stuff, it's all kind of signed up or made in a cool little way. One socket, 6-foot cord, ideal for applications where you want to light a single bulb. So like I said, I have the big sign, but that is a lot more. I think this one's like 50 bucks. So this is definitely a little bit smaller, but it's big enough to actually be useful and cool. Let's see if I can get this open. I actually haven't even seen anything like this on their website, so I don't think they sell it except for just this. So we got an extra fuse. I don't know if they came with fuses in the past, but this one has a fuse, so that's cool. I'll have to look at my other wires. I don't think they have fuses, so maybe that's a change they've made. And here is the socket. Is there a light bulb on it? There is. There is a candle glow light bulb, unless I drop it and break it. So I do have an outlet right here. We'll plug it in. No dimmer, so it plugs in. Turns on when it's plugged in. But you can buy, you know, automatic things all the time for that. So there it is. Let's see here. There's some instructions. Zip tie. So it came with that zip tie that, of course, I just put down. There it is. Okay. So you're gonna have it facing down with the zip tie. Okay, cool. So there's a little hole right here. It even still has the plastic on here. Let's take that off. The satisfying plastic pull. All right, we're gonna put this right here. Can I slide it through? Let's see, should I slide it through? Yeah. And then we'll zip tie it just like that. That's cool. And then it says there are little clips, which is probably in here, and I wasn't paying attention when I opened everything. We do have a sticker, so that's cool. It's always good to have the sticker. Oh, here's the clips right here. So then the wire's going to come down and out the bottom, or you can have the wire go out the top. So you can have the wire go out the top. You can have the wire come out the bottom. I'll do it on the bottom. We'll put this right here. Oh, that looks cool. And then we've got a whole bunch of little clips that we're going to put around the edge. This is a lot bigger than I thought. I thought this was actually just a really small replica, but for 50 bucks, this might be one of the better deals they have. Though, you know, you probably wouldn't have this, you know, somewhere. I have mine just in the hallway with all my Christmas lights, my big one. And then at Christmas, I bring it down into the living room, or kind of where my Christmas tree is. Last year I had a Tru-Tone tree, so I put it in there. Alright, so let's see here. We've got the two clips. We've got one side, it just pushes into the other. And we're just going to put it in there. There, it clipped shut. So now we've got a whole bunch of them all the way around to put in. So I'm going to put these in, and then let's go put it next to the big one, and we'll check out the size comparison. But like I said, I am actually impressed by how big this sign is. I was thinking it was like, and I'll be honest, I didn't look closely because I already have the big one, so I wasn't going to buy this. So this is really cool that they're sending this to some of their people, and I have no idea how much they send. I just happened to get an email that said they were sending it, and I was like, oh, that's fun. Oh, it looks like there might be, yeah, there's even a plastic wrap on the front. So let's do another plastic wrap. Look at that. Even better. So let's finish this up, and then let's go upstairs and we'll put it next to the other sign and do a comparison. We're all done. Had one extra clip, so that's nice in case you break it. Now let's go check it out with the big sign that is next to it. All right, here's the two lights. We've got the original Tru-Tone sign, and we've got the new mini version Tru-Tone sign. This one was $200, and this one is about $50 or $60. So as you can see, it's a little bit smaller. It also just uses a C7 bulb, I think is what I put in there. And this has a big bulb in it. So that one's definitely brighter than this. But one of the difference is the original sign has the cool cloth cord and a dimmer, and the other one has their more standard cord. And I did look, my old ones have a fuse also. But as you can see, it's still a very good size. I really thought it was going to be much smaller than the large version. But for $50 or $60, this is actually really cool. And yes, it's not as bright, but the bulb's not as big. But you could put this on your wall or a bar or something. And my wife said, well, it's still big enough that it's readable from the road. So that's kind of cool. So they're getting their advertisement, I guess, because I put this one in my front room. So if you wanted to have the whole 3D version where you have two of them, it would definitely be cheaper to buy the Tru-Tone small one, because you could afford two small ones a lot easier than two big ones. And I'm not even sure if they sell the two big ones. I bought this last summer when I saw they had it for a limited time, and I was like, oh, I just want to buy one. So there must have been enough people that wanted to buy the sign that they made a small version right here. So there it is. There's the new smaller sign. And like I said, they were just sending it to people who have purchased a lot of product, and as you see here, I have a whole wall of product that I will be putting on the house sometime in the next couple weeks to get ready for all of our Christmas lights. So I think this year we're doing green and blue and teal. So I've ordered some more teal because I have two teal, so I got a whole bunch of blue. So thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.